Now's not the time to panic. Your Linux kernel's doing that for you. Hey there, it's Tom on Tom's Tech Show. Today, we've got a video about a new flaw that's been in Linux, I guess, for a decade or more, and it's just come to light thanks to Netflix, actually. So let's kind of read this over. Netflix to Linux users patch the SACPanic kernel bug to stop remote attacks. So, I mean, it is a remote attack. They're not taking over your system, but they are causing the kernel to panic. So if you look up CVE 2019-11-477 is this kernel panic. And what happens is the engineers who drew it up are explaining TCP may experience poor performance when multiple packets are lost from one data window. So if you know like kind of how networking works, like if you're streaming something, you're getting data and some of that data doesn't make it in time, or a packet is lost somewhere along the way, the acknowledgement that gets sent back to say, yes, I got this one, I'm good, or I need this one again. All that is going on in your network connection. All while we're watching this stream, there are these packets going back and forth saying, yes, I've got this data. No, I need this packet again. So as the data comes in, different pieces are there. And if one piece is missing, it'll say, I need this piece. Then it'll send that, and then it'll fill it in and put it all together for you. So, which is a good thing, which is how, you know, the internet kind of works and stays resilient and is able to send traffic, you know, through different routers, different paths, and all be reformed back together at the destination. Well, in this problem, if it starts getting multiple fragments trying to resend back, then it fills up this socket buffer, which can only hold 17 fragments of packet data. So if you fill that buffer up, what happens is the kernel goes, I don't know what to do, and the system will reboot. So there is a workaround. There are some workarounds and patches that are out now to fix this. So, and this is basically every version of Linux that's out there, like Ubuntu, Debian, Red Hat, you know, Amazon, everything, all of that. So I did see that Amazon has already patched theirs, but if you have different deployments, like if you have Elastic Beanstalk deployments, then you're going to need to go through and there's managed updates, set those up, or, you know, take your Elastic Beanstalk system through an update cycle and, you know, regenerate that environment with the latest build of Linux that's going to have all these patches in it. And if you have Linux out there somewhere in the cloud, you're going to definitely need to go into those and patch those and get those patched up. I have this security bulletin that's been posted here on GitHub. We can review that and see what patches you're going to need. So we have to apply a patch, and if you have, you know, 4.14 or something, whatever, you need to apply another patch. So this is all kind of public knowledge now coming out that everybody needs to get in their Linux boxes, get them all patched. I've been doing that all day. So we're going to be, you know, you need to be able to get that done as soon as possible. So we can thank Netflix for doing that for us and getting that patch out there and getting information out for people to be able to patch these Linux boxes. All right, so if you see something that says SACPanic in it, and do a search for SACPanic and your own operating system, like if you're running Debian or Amazon or whatever, it'll give you kind of instructions. I'll leave links to this article and the security bulletin in this video, and you can just get in there and start patching all the systems that you have. All right. We had the mail server the other day, and now we're having Linux boxes today. So we'll see what comes up next week. I mean, I'm sure there's always stuff coming out, but keeping everything patched is almost a full-time job anymore. All right. Well, thanks for watching this, and go get your systems patched and keep everything up and running. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I'll keep making these videos about security and things, and also do videos about, you know, and technology and entertainment and photography, things like that. If you like any of those things, just subscribe, and there you go. All right. Well, thanks for watching this, and take care.